Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about mostly used some of the string methods in JavaScript. So for that we're going to use the Chrome's console, and here we're going to define one string str hello world, and now we're going to apply different methods over that string. So in the list, first of all we have the length method. So we're going to console log str.length. So the length method actually returns the length of our string. So if we execute that, so here it is returning 11. So here we have 11 characters in our string. And next we have the slice method. So the slice method used to extract a portion of a string and returns a new string. Here it takes two parameters, so the start index and the end index. So here it is returning hell. So it is starting from the 0th index and ends before the 4th index. And similarly, next we have the substring method. So this is similar to the slice method. Here also it extracts a substring based on the indices. So here we're gonna pass 0 and 5 the end index, and it is returning hello. So it is starting at 0th index and ends before the 5th index. And also we have the substr method. Here also it takes two parameters. The first is the start index and the second parameter is the length. So the number of character we want, like 5. So here actually it's starting at the index 0 and then it is returning the 5 characters after the starting point. And next we have the replace method. So the replace method replaces a specified substring with another string. So it takes two parameters. First one is the search value. So suppose we wanted to replace hello, and the second parameter is the replace value. So we're gonna replace hello with hi. So wherever hello encountered in our string will be replaced with the string hi. So if we execute that, so you can see we have the output hi world. So the hello is replaced in our string. Similarly also we have the replaceAll method. So this will basically replace all the occurrences of hello in our string. So to demonstrate that, we can create another string str where we can have multiple hello, and now if we apply that method, you can see all the hello in our string is replaced with hi. And also we have another most useful method, which is toUpperCase. So as the name suggests, it is basically will convert all the character in a string to uppercase. If we execute that, you can see, so here all the characters are converted to uppercase. Similarly also we have the toLowerCase. Definitely it will convert all the characters to lowercase. And also we have another important method, which is concat. So concat method concatenates two strings. So we can create another string str1. So we have created another string. Now we're gonna use our concat method to concat the two strings. So here we're gonna use str.concat, and here we're gonna pass the second string str1. So you can see here is the first string and the second string extra string. Those two strings are concatenated together. And also we have the trim method. So trim method is basically removes white spaces from both the start and the end of a string. So for that we're gonna create one string, and here we're gonna have a lot of space before and after the string. So now we're gonna use our trim method. So str.trim, so it will trim all the spaces. So you can see our original string has a lot of space before and after, but after applying the trim method, all the spaces have been removed. Similarly also we have the trimStart method. So as the name suggests, it is basically going to remove all the space from the beginning of the string. Similarly also we have the trimEnd. It is going to remove all the spaces from the end of the string. And also we have the padStart method. So the method will take two parameters. First one is the length. So our resulting string will have 5 characters, and the second parameter it take is the fill string. So we're gonna fill our string with zeros. So you can see our resulting string has the length 5 and the beginning characters are filled with the filler string which is 0. Similar way also we can use our padEnd. So this will do the same thing, it will add the zeros at the end of our string. And now let's talk about the charAt method. So for that we're gonna create one string hello world, and now we're gonna use our charAt method. The method takes one index and it returns the character at the specified index. Suppose you pass 0, so it will return the character at the 0th position, in this case which is H. And now let's talk about the split method. So the split method basically splits our string into array of string. So here it takes one separator, in this case we are gonna use space. So our string will be splitted whenever it encounters one space. So here you can see our string has one single space and it is returning one array with hello and world. It can also take one second parameter where we can specify the limit of the array. So we can pass 1 and our array will have only one value. So these are all the methods that are used to manipulate strings in JavaScript. So hope you understand about all the string methods in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.